Welcome to easyayurveda.com. Today we are preparing a home remedy to relieve long-standing respiratory diseases such as chronic asthma, or if you are suffering from cold or cough for a long period of time, chronic bronchitis. This home remedy is useful. For this purpose we are taking 3 fruits of amla, around 10 grams of raisins or dry grape, around 5 grams of dry ginger powder, and around 5 to 10 ml of honey. First we are taking these amla fruits in water and we need to boil this. This procedure of boiling this amla fruit in water is called as svedana. A tweaked version of this boiling procedure of amla is also used in making chawanprash. While it is boiling, we need to continuously rotate these amla so that it doesn't get burnt, and only mild fire should be used. While this boiling is going on here, we are taking these raisins in mortar and pestle and we'll crush it and make a paste out of it. Amla has started boiling. While that is boiling, we have made raisins into a paste form by mashing it. So we have boiled for around 10 to 15 minutes. We can see that the amla has formed 3 gyres in it, and you can easily open up the amla and we can easily separate the seed from the amla pulp. So once we reach that stage, it's time to stop boiling the amla. So we stop boiling this. So we have taken the boiled amla fruit rind. Now we are going to mash it so that it becomes a paste. So we have mashed the amla into paste. Now we are going to add this amla into raisin paste. Now we are going to add ginger powder into it. And we are adding honey to this. And we are going to mix this uniformly. So this amla herbal jam is ready. This home remedy can be taken in a dose of 1 to 3 grams 2 times a day before food. This is useful in all the chronic respiratory conditions such as bronchitis, asthma, cold and cough. It has got powerful anti-inflammatory action and also relieves kapha and also balances vata. So it's a perfect remedy for all the chronic respiratory problems, as most of the respiratory conditions are having kapha and vata imbalance. For more such home remedies, please visit easyayurveda.com.